Skipper, Robert Seow, standard performer for Kingston College today. Talk to me about your team's performance again.
Well, came out here and the expectations was high against a Hydel team that been doing well. A very great team, can give them that. So we just came out here and just follow the coach's instruction. We've been planning from quite a while now, so just came out here and execute as the best to our ability.
We see that you're one of the defenders that like to play the ball, you like to keep the ball, you're not afraid, don't get flustered. Talk to me about your game. What causes you to be so composed in the game?
Well, my game, part of the coaching system, I'm one of the most important players regarding playing out. So just try to keep a calm head when I have the ball and just look for the open player.
As a captain of the team, such a young team, how does it feel? What's the responsibility like for you?
Well, a big responsibility, as I say. It's a young team, just to come out here and just to guide the younger ones, because we've been planning from doing camp, and it's sometimes difficult, sometimes good, because they're very immature at times. But just to, as the season go along, just to improve better mentally and physically.
Now, you were the captain armband for the fort, which is a prestigious armband and a prestigious school in football. What does it feel for you? Sometimes you wonder why this really happened to me. How does it feel for you?
No, and it's a big achievement for me, coming from St. Mary and being able to captain the best school in Jamaica. So it's a big achievement for me. And with the past captains, so boy, much more achieved.
You get the blessings from the other captains in it?
Yeah, man, respect Jamun, my boy, now.
Yeah. So the guy better not just put your armband beside you. You shoot beside you. Let him beside you.
Yeah, man,
What really happened?
have it a special place.
Alright.
Alright, Robert, one more question. Let's talk about the past a while ago. You faced one of your former schoolmates in goal for Hydel today. Talk to me about it. It seemed like you guys played with a little bit of edge. Obviously, he was starting in the game. Talk to me about it.
On the field, rivals, but out the field, no matter where it go, Tajai, my boy, still. So respect him and Hydel for giving us a great game, and hopefully just can build from this game on.